Welcome back to Innovative Farming Machinery YouTube channel. Here we specialize in sharing with you the modernity of machinery in modern agriculture 4.0. Today we would like to introduce to you the John Deere 7980i, one of the most modern and advanced agricultural equipment today, providing the perfect combination of technology and high performance. To better understand the John Deere 7980i, we will learn about its detailed structure. PowerTech Plus 13 5L engine with maximum capacity of 812 horsepower. Cutting system. Crop flow cutting and grinding system allows processing of different types of crops. Fuel tank. Large fuel tank with capacity up to 1,500 liters. Control cab, comfort command cab with touch screen controls, premium sound system and comfortable seats. Wheels and suspension. Large wheels and flexible suspension system help the machine operate smoothly on all terrains. John Deere 7980i is equipped with a powerful 5L PowerTech Plus engine, allowing for a maximum capacity of 812 horsepower. The crop flow cutting and grinding system helps process crops efficiently and quickly. Large fuel tank helps the machine operate longer without having to stop to refuel. Now we will learn about the main functions of the John Deere 7980i. Machines are working in the fields, cutting and grinding crops. The control screen in the cabin displays parameters and adjustments. John Deere 7980i has the following main functions: cut and grind. With the crop flow system, the machine can cut and grind crops quickly and efficiently. Automatic adjustment. Automatic control system helps optimize performance and fuel economy. Monitoring and reporting. The control screen displays operating parameters, allowing the operator to monitor and make timely adjustments. The uses of the John Deere 7980i are very diverse, suitable for many different types of farming. Image of machine working on different crops such as corn, wheat and soybeans. The John Deere 7980i is widely used in agriculture to harvest crops such as corn, wheat and soybeans. With the ability to effectively cut and grind, the machine saves time and effort for farmers while ensuring post-harvest product quality. Efficiency. When using John Deere 7980i machine brings it to agriculture. 1. Increase labor productivity. Using the John Deere 7980i machine helps increase labor productivity significantly. With a strong capacity and the ability to operate continuously, the machine helps farmers complete work faster than traditional methods. Powerful engine. PowerTech Plus 13.5L engine with a capacity of up to 812 horsepower helps the machine operate effectively, processing large quantities of crops in a short time. Automated system, automatic adjustment and monitoring features help optimize the harvesting process, minimizing worker time and effort. 2. Cost savings. The John Deere 7980i not only saves time but also reduces operating and maintenance costs. Efficient fuel consumption. Advanced technology helps the machine consume fuel effectively, minimizing fuel costs. Reduce labor costs. The machine's high automation capabilities reduce the need for manual labor, helping to save labor costs. 3. Improve product quality post-harvest. Product quality is significantly improved when using the John Deere 7980i. Advanced cutting and grinding system. The crop flow system helps cut and grind crops precisely, minimizing product loss and damage. Quality monitoring. Automatic monitoring and adjustment system helps ensure uniform and optimal product quality. For environmental protection, the John Deere 7980i also contributes to environmental protection by reducing emissions and noise. Emission Standard Engine. The engine is designed to comply with the strict emission standards, minimizing negative impacts on the environment. Quiet operation. Noise reduction design helps the machine operate smoothly, reducing noise pollution to the surrounding environment. 5. Enhance accuracy and efficiency. John Deere 7980i machine with modern features helps increase accuracy and efficiency during the harvesting process. GPS and navigation system. The GPS positioning system helps the machine operate accurately in the fields, minimizing errors and increasing work efficiency. Smart control screen. Touch screen and smart control system help operators easily monitor and adjust machine operations. 6. Improve working conditions for farmers. The John Deere 7980i improves working conditions for farmers by reducing drudgery and creating a more comfortable work environment. Comfortable cabin, comfort command cabin with comfortable seats, air conditioning system, and premium sound helps the operator stay comfortable during work. Minimize manual work. Automating many processes helps reduce manual work, protect health, and increase comfort for workers. 7. Smart technology application. Smart technology application helps John Deere 7980i become an indispensable tool in modern agriculture. Smart connection. The machine has the ability to connect to other devices and farm management systems via the internet, helping users manage and control remotely. Data analysis. The data collection and analysis system helps farmers have an overview of the production process and make reasonable decisions to optimize efficiency. The John Deere 7980i is truly a huge step forward in modern agriculture, bringing many great benefits to farmers and the agricultural industry in general. From increasing labor productivity, saving costs, improving product quality, to protecting the environment and applying smart technology, this machine is a powerful support tool to help agriculture develop. More sustainable and effective development